Not core drag. That's the fourth one, I think. I'm not getting ready. Same thing. Yeah, it is the fourth one. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah. What? Oh, okay.
When you're done recording, I'll show you everything.
10-4 on that, go, buddy. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot about that.
Oh, you get it, man.
Yeah, I know. Comfy?
Oh yeah, just at home.
When the last time we did this?
Oh god, it's been 2 years.
Probably more than that.
Probably. Shit.
I miss the good old days.
Me too, man. Being a was back home in DC, I moved down in a heartbeat.
Yeah. Hey, it is where it is.
Yeah. There we go. Got some repeater frequencies to try.
Them flies.
So like we have like for some of our repeaters or digitals.
Yeah, you're telling about that.
Yeah, we go higher up numbers. So these are higher up AARs. So actually, my girlfriend and I, we went down to LPKC last night.
Oh yeah.
And man, that sunset we had, I wish you would have came.
Oh
my god, look, dude, these Midwest sunsets are no freaking joke.
Oh, I believe it.
Yeah. Okay, Turner, KC Bowl, 343, 479. So.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, the first core drag or second core drag? One of these the first three core drags I saw.
Yeah.
3, 3, 1. 3 in the front, 3 mid, 1 rear.
Right.
Like, okay. That's the first time I've seen that before.
That's
0485.
okay, then
Really?
43479.
Really?
Really? really?
What am I gonna do with you, bud?
Only for the best, brother. Only for the best.
Oh, you're the best.
I'm the worst.
Well, I don't know about that, but I'm glad I came over here today.
61505.
Now we get the bowl.
A bowl.
Yeah, the Argentine bowl.
Oh.
I got the repeater channel now.
Oh, okay.
And this website I printed from,
Uh,
it's got the frequencies for PTC.
Oh, that's PTC crap.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? I like PTC.
Yeah.
It does. I'll say this. It does help. Having that PTC when you learn territory stuff.
Yeah.
It does help.
Yep.
because it gives me a map of literally everything.
Okay. Now I get this much. When we like PTC when it walks.
I mean, PTC is not the issue. It's Trip Optimizer. It's
Well,
TO. That's the autopilot. That's the system that's trying to take over our jobs
Yeah,
as conductors.
to be completely honest,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but those two doesn't work as well. Because you need conductors on these trains because what happens if something happens on a train? You guys need to walk. So.
In the eyes of the railroad, you just call a responder. I mean, we actually have responders. So if we break down, like, we get a mechanical guy sent to our train immediately.
Wait, Congress had those?
Yeah, we have them. BNSF has them.
That part I didn't know about.
They're called responders. Yep, we tell the dispatch what's going on. We go walk, find the problem. Or we break down like, hey, get a responder out here. We went to emergency. And the air's not coming back.
Oh, okay, that's weird. That's unique.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know the road had that, but
Frequency mode.
Yep, we have them. Call responders.
interesting.
They're basically like a road utility. But they're mechanical, so there's a defect. I mean, something's really happened with cars. We've actually had to stop one time because our train wouldn't go more than 10 miles an hour. And the flow was high as shit.
Oh, shit. Yeah, something's going on with Dale.
Not even 30 cars back. It was a cracked brake pipe.
A crack brake pipe?
Brake pipe completely cracked. You know what the conductor said? And this is was stupid, right? Do you know what a runaround hose is?
Oh, yeah, I think so. You remind me.
Okay, so a runaround hose, if something's wrong with the brake pipe on the car, you use the hose, it runs the air around the car. If something's wrong with the brake pipe on the car.
Yes, okay. The runaround hose. Okay.
Yeah, runaround hose. Now, if something's wrong with the air of that car itself, like if the brakes keep sticking, then you would cut out the car.
Yeah.
You use the cutout car, right? And it'll allow the brake pipe to skip the car.
Yep.
And you just release the brakes on that car, or you pull the release rod.
That part in there, because I did was transit, so
Yeah.
I'm looking for stuff.
All right.